Nature is vital to the economy of Cambodia, a country that continues its transitions toward a higher level of development. Since 1990, we have succeeded in having extremely poverty. Our country's rich and diverse nature is a main contributor to this economic growth. Despite this progress, however, many families critically depend on natural resources for food, shelter, and income, exposing them to risks from climate change and biodiversity loss. I am Chupari, Director of the General Directorate of Environmental Knowledge and Information, Ministry of Environment. Cambodia has many essential life support areas upon which the country's economy depends. Identifying and preserving these key ecosystems also help to preserve livelihoods. Armed with our map of hope, we can now collectively make better decisions about how to protect and sustainably manage nature, the backbone of the region's economic development opportunities.
I am Oigamal, Deputy Director General of the General Directorate of Environmental Knowledge and Information, Ministry of Environment. Using integrated land use planning technique, we are working to alleviate poverty by developing nature-based economy solutions that offer livelihood alternatives through unsustainable logging practice and fewer wood use in forest area. The Cambodian Ministry of Environment is working with local community, the World Bank, and UNDP to develop integrated land management policies that protect nature in tandem with building local entrepreneurial scale. The opportunities like ecotourism can boost economic prosperity while strengthening protected area management. Non-timber forest products provide another way to sustainably supplement local income, and carbon markets provide alternative financing opportunity while safeguarding nature.
My name is Chivan Lei. I'm the Director of the Department of Geospatial Information Services, Ministry of Environment, Cambodia. We are putting high-quality, reliable data on nature in the hand of decision makers. Maps are helping stakeholders look across Cardamom Mountain, the landscape, together to more collaboratively decide on how, when, and where we have to act.
To harmonize forest and freshwater protection with development opportunity in the region, we are using spatial data to convince national policymakers, local communities, land managers, and scientists. They are helping us to develop a map of hope using the ELSA methodology that puts nature at the heart of sustainable development for economic prosperity, climate resilience. Using spatial data that we are collecting for ELSA, we can visualize conservation corridor, proximity to villages, key biodiversity areas, community fisheries, and freshwater reservoirs. We can then identify areas that are more suitable for nature-based economic development and areas which can support local livelihoods now and in the future. This type of integrated land use planning is helping us build the type of economic safety net that many rural Cambodians need. They are securing nature-based livelihood. In this way, the ELSA project is providing us with data that is improving how we make decisions about land use, and also providing a baseline for our national environmental data management information system.
Join us to map nature for economic prosperity. Join us to map hope so that no one is left behind.